Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about 4 steps that can help you to choose a winning affiliate offer. Affiliate marketing can be very profitable, but only if you go about it in the right way, and choosing the right affiliate offer is certainly a very important step. With so many different affiliate offers available for you to promote, how do you go about choosing the right one? Certainly for a beginner just starting out, this can seem very overwhelming. And this is why in today's video I will talk about 4 steps you can follow that will help you to choose an affiliate offer that gives you the best chance of success. But very quickly, before we move on to that, I would just like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission for recommending someone else's product. You never have to create your own product or deal with any customer service and support. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So, I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. 4 steps to follow to help you choose a winning affiliate offer. Well, first of all, you will need to do a little research. There are a huge number of affiliate offers online available for you to promote, and 2 of the biggest affiliate platforms are ClickBank and JVZoo. If you take a look at these 2 platforms, you will find literally thousands of offers to promote. ClickBank has what's called a gravity score, which is supposed to tell you how popular a given product is in the market. The bigger the gravity score, the more popular a product is. So you can use this to see which products are popular. With JVZoo, you can simply look at their best sellers to give you ideas. Secondly, before choosing a product to promote, it's a good idea to take a look at the marketing material they are using. Have a read through their sales pages or watch their video sales letters. What are your thoughts? Does the marketing material make you want to buy the product? If the answer is yes, then this might be something that would be good for you to promote. Thirdly, it might be a good idea to subscribe to their email list and read through all their emails for a period of time. This will help to give you an idea of whether or not this is a business you want to work with and promote their offers. And finally, make sure you carefully review the product you are choosing to promote. You can do research on Google to find reviews or simply ask the affiliate. Most will be happy to give you a review copy of their product. You can of course buy the product yourself, and this will no doubt give you the best overview, but not everyone wants to do this. Always remember, your customers are the most important part of your business, and you should only look to promote offers that will genuinely help them. Under no circumstances should you promote an offer purely to make money. Okay, now hopefully if you follow these steps, this will help you to choose a winning affiliate offer. However, no matter what product you choose, to be successful, you need to promote it the right way. Successful affiliate marketing is all about following the right blueprint. There's no need to overcomplicate things. Indeed, successful affiliate marketing comes down to 4 key steps. And if you look below this video in my description, you'll find a link which you can click to register for a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal the 4 core areas you need to focus on to grow a profitable affiliate business today. In addition to this, during the video presentation, Dean will show you how to get a free copy of his book, The Iceberg Effect. In this book, Dean outlines his highly successful and revolutionary approach to building a sustainable and highly profitable internet business as an affiliate marketer in today's economy. If you put in the time and effort, it's quite possible to make a good income as an affiliate marketer. But to be successful, we all need help. Trying to go it alone is not a good idea. With Dean and his team, you could not be in better hands. For this reason, I strongly recommend that you at least take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I do appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below and click the link and watch Dean's free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.